What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and I have some screen protectors here for the Pixel 8 Pro from Whitestone Dome. Now, drop down a link in the description. You can pick up plenty of screen protectors from Whitestone Dome. They have this Express Align, which is a little more affordable tempered glass. This is a 2-pack that you can get from Whitestone Dome under 20 bucks. They also have this other UV Gen film that you can use on your Pixel 8 Pro. And then they have the more premium screen protector. And this comes with a kit with the glue and the UV light and all that good stuff. You guys can pick that up down in the description. But the one I'm gonna do is the Easy, or the E Express Align. This one's a little easier, and it comes with two screen protectors. And the good thing about this one is, or the good thing about the Pixel 8 Pro, is you have a completely flat display. So, and we want to protect our Pixel 8 Pro so that it doesn't get scratched up or anything like that. So you're simply going to take one of these, and you have the white, or the wet cloth here. You also have the dust absorber stickers, and you have your microfiber cloth that you can use. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this here to the side, and then what we're going to do is we're going to turn off our Pixel 8 Pro. That way the buttons don't go crazy. And then you're simply going to take your wet wipe here, very easily. Just wipe it down. That way you have no lint or anything like that. And this device is pretty new. I just got it. I've had it for less than a week, or I've had it a week, or whatever it is. And you just want to wipe it down. Then you want to take your microfiber cloth. And these are all very good quality accessories that they give you. Like this microfiber cloth, a lot of them I keep around so I can wipe down my phones, maybe put a screen protector again, or whatever it may be. Then you're gonna take your dust absorber sticker, and you want to absorb all the dust that are on here, and you just cover most of the device and get rid of everything. All right, then you want to grab your screen protector, and you want to pull off this styrofoam here out, and then you want to take off the little plastic, not the whole screen protector, but just the cover. And then you're going to place this on your Pixel 8 Pro, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go like this, 1, and then here, 2, then 3, like so. Basically side to side, down, and then up, like that. And then you're going to remove the sticker from the bottom here. Then you want to pull off your bad boy. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get the bubbles out. And these bubbles, if they don't come out, they'll eventually make their way out. What I do is I just kind of use my fingernail to kind of get them out slowly. Like so. On this side, got some bubbles. Got some bubble trouble. And it takes literally about a minute to install. You just gotta clean the device. Then you do the screen protector. It's quick. It's not as complicated well, it's a lot easier than their premium, but the premium is a little more heavy duty. So it depends, you know, what your budget is and what you want to do as far as protecting your device. I think this one is good because it works with the flat screen. You know, with the curved screens, Whitestone Dome was very popular because those were the only screen protectors that worked. So now with a flat, you can use something like this, or you can go with the premium. It's up to you. But that's going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and we'll take a look. All right, so it looks like I did a pretty good job. There were some bubbles that I had to kind of work out, but you can get them out, or they'll come out eventually. So don't worry about it. You just kind of try to get them out eventually, but pretty good installation, if you ask me. I mean, it's pretty simple. But one of the things that, and I'll show you now that the fingerprint reader works with this. As you can see, I don't have my face on here. And boom, the fingerprint reader works fine. Now, the other thing that I wanted to show you is when you go into your settings in your Pixel 8 Pro, you go to settings, you want to go to display, and then you want to go down to, you see that screen protector mode? You want to turn that on because that increased touch sensitivity and it improves touch when you're using a screen protector. So now, if you're going in your apps, or you're going to use your screen protector, you're going to use your fingerprint, boom, you're good to go. So you have no issues when it comes to your screen protector. Everything's installed, you're good to go. That's gonna do it, man. If you guys want to pick one of these up, or one of the premium ones, or the UV Gin film, whatever it is, they also sell some cases that are pretty good, so check them out. Drop down in the description. I'm Android Stud. You're watching YouTube.